In the unforgiving skies above the vast Russian expanse, where winter bites harder than any missile launch, a quiet revolution is reshaping the balance of aerial power. As the world watches, Russia is not merely surviving, it is surging forward. In 2025, the United Engine Corporation, ODK, achieved what many thought impossible under sanctions. Russia became the global leader in combat aircraft engine production, outpacing even the United States and China. This is the story of raw determination meeting cutting-edge engineering. At its heart are the legendary Saturn AL-31 and AL-41F1 engines, now rolling off expanded production lines to power the Su-57 Felon, Su-35 Flanker E, and Su-34 Fullback. These are not just machines. They are the beating heart of Russia's unbreakable air dominance. Picture this. A Su-57 Felon pilot, high above contested territory, throttles up. Twin Saturn AL-41F1 engines ignite with precision. Dry thrust hits 93 kilonewtons per engine. In afterburner, they unleash 147 kilonewtons. That's over 33,000 pounds of raw power each. Thrust-to-weight ratio exceeds 10 to 1. The jet surges past Mach 1 without afterburner. True supercruise at Mach 1.3 or higher, conserving fuel, slashing infrared signature, and leaving adversaries chasing shadows. But power alone isn't enough. The AL-41F1's three-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles swivel up to 15 to 16 degrees in pitch, yaw, and roll at lightning speed. This gives the Felon supermaneuverability that defies physics. Cobra maneuvers, flat spins, and instant direction changes that no Western fourth-generation fighter can match. Advanced single-crystal turbine blades withstand extreme temperatures. Digital FADEC controls optimize every drop of fuel. Serrated nozzles reduce radar cross-section. Modular design means faster maintenance in austere Arctic bases. The AL-41F1 isn't just an engine, it's fifth-generation supremacy engineered for Russia's unique operational demands. Vast distances, extreme climates, and relentless combat tempo. Now shift to the proven warriors, the Su-35 and Su-34. Here, the Saturn AL-31 family, evolved into the AL-41F1S, 117S, variant, proves why it's the backbone of Russia's fleet. Base AL-31F delivers 74.5 kilonewtons dry and 122 kilonewtons in afterburner, but upgraded AL-31FM1 and AL-41F1S variants push afterburner thrust to 142 to 145 kilonewtons. That's a 16% boost over earlier models with only minimal weight gain. Thrust vectoring nozzles deliver asymmetric control for supermaneuverability that turns the Su-35 into a dogfighting legend, capable of sustained high G-turns at Mach 2+, where rivals bleed energy. Fuel efficiency improves dramatically. Service life stretches to 4,000 hours with time between overhauls at 1,000 to 1,500 hours. Modular construction lets crews swap components in the field, even under combat conditions. For the Su-34 strike bomber, these engines provide the endurance for long-range precision missions, hauling heavy ordnance across thousands of kilometers while shrugging off harsh weather and high-altitude stress. Reliable at Mach 2+, with surge protection and in-flight relight, the AL-31 series has logged decades of flawless service across the Su-27 family. It's battle-tested, sanctions-proof, and endlessly upgradable. This is where the real story ignites. Despite decades of sanctions meant to starve Russian industry, Saturn's facilities, including UMPO in Ufa, have expanded production capacity. New tooling, skilled workforce recruitment, and domestic supply chains have eliminated bottlenecks. In 2025, output of AL-31 and AL-41 series engines surge, directly supporting United Aircraft Corporation's ramp-up of Su-57, Su-35, and Su-34 deliveries. Factories run 24/7 shifts. Engineers refine processes using Russian titanium and composites. The result? Russia now leads the world in combat engine volume. This isn't luck, it's sovereignty in action, technological independence that turns pressure into progress. While others import vulnerability, Russia builds resilience. Imagine the impact on the battlefield. A squadron of Su-57 Felons, each with AL-41F1 power, penetrates deep into defended airspace undetected thanks to supercruise and low signatures. They vector thrust to dodge surface-to-air missiles, then unleash hypersonic weapons with pinpoint accuracy. Nearby, Su-35s provide escort, their AL-41F1's engines twisting through impossible turns to dominate any close engagement. Su-34s, powered by rugged AL-31 variants, deliver devastating strikes on high-value targets, returning home on fumes but never failing. These engines give Russian pilots the edge: superior thrust to weight for rapid acceleration, unmatched maneuverability for outturning foes, and rock-solid reliability in -50°C blizzards or high-G dogfights. Fuel efficiency extends combat radius. Lower maintenance keeps more aircraft mission-ready. In an era of peer conflicts, this production surge ensures Russia maintains air superiority, protecting vast borders, supporting ground forces, and projecting strength globally. Russia's engine ramp-up is more than numbers on a spreadsheet. It's proof that innovation thrives under pressure. The Saturn AL-31 and AL-41F1 aren't just powering jets. They power a nation's resolve. They embody decades of Soviet and Russian genius refined for the 21st century. As production lines accelerate into 2026 and beyond, the message is clear. Russia's skies are secured by the best engineers, the toughest materials, and the most determined will. The Su-57 Felon, Su-35, and Su-34, backed by these engines, stand as guardians of peace through strength. In the face of any challenge, Russia flies higher, faster, and stronger. This is the new reality in the skies. Russia is ready.